Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 question answer and exercises. First, which of these is essential for the germination of seeds? There is given three options. The first option A, air, is correct. Second one, tomato was first grown in dash. Tomato was first grown in South Africa. There is C option is correct. Third, the seeds of cotton are dispersed by dash. C option B is correct. Fourth, a plant that reproduces through spores is dash. A, rose, B, carrot, C, mushroom. Mushroom is right. Fifth, plants can be reproduced through dash. A, seeds, B, plumule, C, germination. So its answer is A option, seeds. Let's see, fill in the blanks. There is mention help box. All the option is given there. First one, dash is the process by which plants increase in number. Reproduction is the process by which plants increase in number. Second one, when the seeds start germinating, the dash grow first downwards. Radicle grow first downward. Third, plants like dash and dash do not bear flower. Fern and mushroom. Fourth, onion has its origin from dash. Onion has its origin from Egypt. Fifth, the seeds of dash and dash get scattered by explosion. Blossom and pea get scattered by explosion. Let's see, match the column. In A column, there are plants name, and B column, there are origin name. First A, D, Central Asia. Second, T is origin of China. Third, potato. Potato is origin of Peru. Fourth, synonyms. B, Sri Lanka. Now we see question answers. First one, what is reproduction? Reproduction means the process by which living things produce new living things of their own kind is called reproduction. Second, how do plants reproduce? Plants reproduce in different ways. Through seeds, through spores, through vegetative parts. Third, what is vegetative propagation? When plants reproduce from one of their body or vegetative part, it is called reproduction by vegetative propagation. Fourth, what is seed germination? Seed germination means when seeds get suitable amount of air, water and sunlight, they grow into a new plant. The process is called germination. Fifth, what is seed dispersal? Seed dispersal means scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. This process is called dispersal. 6. How do seeds get dispersed? Seeds get dispersed through different agents of dispersal like wind, water, bursting or explosion, and animals. Now we have finished this chapter.